भगवानुवाच अभयं सत्त्वसंशुद्धिः ज्ञानयोगव्यवस्थितिः दानं दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वाध्याय तपः जलम् अहिंसा सत्यमक्रोधः त्यागः शान्तिरपैशुनम् दया भूतेषु अलोलुप्त्वं मार्दवं क्षीणचापलम् तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम् अद्रोहो नातिहानिता भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत दम्भो दर्पोऽभिमानश्च क्रोधः पौरुषमेव च अज्ञानं च अभिजातस्य पादसम्पदमासुरीम् दैवी सम्पद्विमोक्षाय निबद्धाय आसुरीमता मासु च सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातोऽसि पाण्डव द्वौ भूतसर्गौ लोके
Gongora, Mehendi, Saraswati, Hibiscus, Spinach, Song of India, Curry leaves, Rose, Lemongrass, Sweet Lemon, Chukakura, Godum Katti, Todakura. These are the Ayurvedic green tea. Lemongrass, turmeric, coriander, pepper powder, fennel, ilachi, salt, inguva, green tea leaves, cinnamon, fennel, cumin seeds, aswin, mint leaves, tulsi leaves, dry ginger, cloves. These are the ingredients for Ayurvedic tea. These are the ingredients for hair oil: dry amla, fenugreek, bringraj, hibiscus, coconut oil, castor oil, sesame oil. These are called millets: ఊదలు, సామలు, అరికలు, కొర్రలు, గంటలు, అలసందలు, రాగులు, జొన్నలు, నువ్వులు, తాటి బెల్లం, ఉలవలు, అండు కొర్రలు. Let's analyze. Foxtail millets, కొర్రలు, బనానా శక్తి, మానసిక దృఢత్వం. కోడో millets, అరికలు, రోగనిరోధక శక్తి, డయాబెటిస్. బార్లియర్ millets, ఊదలు, కొలెస్ట్రాల్ తగ్గించడం, కామెర్ల నివారణ. లిటిల్ millets, సామలు, సంతానం లేని సమస్యలు తగ్గించుట. బ్రౌన్ millets, అండు కొర్రలు, థైరాయిడ్, రక్తపోటు తగ్గించుట. ఫింగర్ millets, రాగులు, బరువు తగ్గుట, వెన్నునొప్పి నివారణ. హార్స్లక్, ఉలవలు, మానసిక ఒత్తిడి, చురుకుదనం. బార్జో millets, జొన్నలు, ఎముకల బలానికి, క్యాన్సర్ నివారణ. తెల్ల millets, సజ్జలు, అధిక ఫైబర్, మనోపాస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. These are our curds: badam curd, sesame curd, peanut curd, sesame curd. Microgreen. For growing this, no need of water and soil. Just little bit of sprinkling of water. Tube stick. For these ingredients are చామంతి గులాబీ, బంతి పూలు, నారింజ తప్పులు, హృదయం, కర్పూరం, పచ్చకర్పూరం, నెయ్యి, వేపాకులు, బిర్యానీ ఆకులు, లవంగాలు, చందనం, గంధం, సాంబ్రాణి, ముద్ద కర్పూరం, జవాయి పొడి. These are the ingredients for tube stick. This is the bath powder. For these are the ingredients. Another ingredients: పత్తిలేలు, కస్తూరి పసుపు, వేపాకు, తులసి, మారేడు, ఉసిరి, మెంతులు, మారి పసుపు, మంచిష్ట, ఉలవలు, శనగపప్పు, తుమ్మస్తులు, బావం చాలు, గులాబీ రేకులు, మరుగు, కమలాపక్కలు, నిమ్మపక్కలు, ఖర్జూరాలు, బియ్యం, పెసలు. These are the ingredients for green tea.
can you help, madam?
I am accountant in Vidyasagara Bank. I am cashier in Vidyasagara Bank. I am assistant manager in Vidyasagara Bank. I am branch manager in Vidyasagara Bank.
District Collector, Revenue Development Officer, Mandal District Development Officer, Mandal Revenue Officer, Village Revenue Assistant, Village Revenue Officer, Revenue Inspector, Deputy Tahsildar. Thank you.
Gram Panchayat Panchayat as is a system of blockers of government in rural India consisting of 3 types: Gram Panchayat, village level, Panchayat Samiti, block level and Jilla Panchayat. Thank you. Gram Panchayat, the lowest type correspond for the local governance at the village level. Panchayat Samiti, the middle types coordination activities between Gram Panchayat and Jilla Panchayat is also known as Jilla Block Panchayat.
Supreme Court is a replaced by servicing as the final rule of repeal and the final indicator of the Constitution with ordinary appellate and advisory jurisdiction and settling disputes between the United States.
High Court is the highest judicial authority in a state or province. It interprets justice and fundamental rights, and it takes reviews of decisions and lawyers and justice for all the country peoples who fought for justice. Thank you.
District and subordinate court. District and subordinate court are under the supervision of the higher courts handling cases at the district and lower levels. The number of district and subordinate courts include the district, expert district, judge additional, district judges, judges of civil and criminal court and magistrates. My name is Manoha. I am studying 4th class. The third organ of Indian government judiciary. Indian judiciary is a single integrated system with a perimeter such headed by the Supreme Court, followed by High Court at the state level, and then district and subordinate courts. Thank you. My project name is microscope. A microscope is an instrument that magnifies small objects so they can be seen with the human eye. A microscope is a scientific instrument that uses lenses to magnify and reveal details of objects too small to be seen by the naked eye, and its primary function is to allow for observation and study of such small structures. A greenhouse model illustrates how a controlled environment can optimize plant growth by regulating temperature, humidity, and light. This model replicates the basic conditions of the greenhouse environment and the area surrounding various conditions for plant. One of the main advantages of the greenhouse is to control and enhance the optimal environmental cultivation. Calicut Life is a residential nuclear wide and thriving producer from the Nepal. Lab is nutrition and clinical health problems. Good morning, madam. My name is Rita. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rita. I am studying Calicut. My project name is Afforestation, Deforestation. Afforestation involves establishing a forest or land in an area where there was no previous tree covers. Deforestation is the clearing or thinning of forest by humans, often for agricultural, commercial, or residential purposes. Thank you. My name is Avati. I am studying Service Class in Nature Conservation. I am working on the treated gem removal south and
then spins a generator to produce electricity to illuminate the street lights.
Well, this renewable energy cost effective lead solution of lead solution sustainability. We will company water manipulate. I am started studying surface features of this topic. My project name is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and taking rainwater for later use. Typically involving channel, runoff and rooftop or storage water and other surfaces. This process conserves rainwater for later uses like irrigation and household irrigation underground recharge.
My name is Rohit. I am studying 6th class in Media Science. My name is Gautam. I am studying 5th class in Media Science. My project name is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process that leads to green light and central other transform light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis, moving plant light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide and minerals into oxygen and elements. Today I am explaining about the challenges players to thrive in an flow along a piston while without touching it. We have to play without touching it. Mercury is made up of a gas and green planet. Thank you for listening. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ritesh. We are studying now let us tell about hydrogen. A hydrogen tank is a story of a non-polar in the orbit. If any object is left, it stays left continuing in all directions. My name is Yoga Karna. The project is season. The actual answer is same difference of its forward state which is from the season or not spring, autumn and winter and summer. Thank you. Today I am telling about floating eggs. An egg sinks in fresh water because it dense. But floats in solid water because the added salt increase the water density making it less than the egg. Good morning, my name is Ashwin. My name is Kavya. We are studying in 6th class. Today I tell about the different layers of atmosphere of planets and surrounding the atmosphere. The first layer is the troposphere where weather, atmosphere and where the second layer is the stratosphere where it is a layer of the sky. The third layer is the mesosphere. The fourth layer is the thermosphere. The last one is the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the outer layer of the atmosphere. Good morning, madam. My name is Likit.
My name is Praveen. We are studying in 4th class. Today we are telling about seed germination.
Seed germination is the process by which seeds are created in a new plant.
Starting with water and cultivating the emergency of them.
Thank you, madam. We are telling about the composition and Thank you.
Good morning, madam. My name is Ritesh. We are studying class. Now I am telling about morning light energy.
Non-renewable energy like fossil fuels and minerals are finite and converted to taste once evaporated. Non-renewable energy like fossil fuels, oil, nuclear power, or natural gas. Renewable energy. Renewable resources like solar, wind, and water power can be recognized naturally over time. Renewable energy like solar energy, hydropower, renewable energy, wind energy, renewable energy. I calculate.
Good morning, madam. My name is Rakesh. I'm studying in 4th class. Good morning, madam. My name is Amsterdam, studying in 4th. We are telling about the states of matter. The three fundamental states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has a fixed shape of volume. Example, moon, ice, rock, and useful. Liquid particles are usually packaged with water and air. Gas have a different shape or volume. Example, air and oxygen and heat.
Welcome to our podcast. Studying in Media Cyber School in 8th class. This is acetylene. Acetylene contains high level of sulfuric and nitric acid in it. How is molecules? This is factory, this is start level. This represents the power plant emitting harmful gases like SO2 and into the atmosphere. Because of these gases, this is the effect cause. This is cloud chamber. It's representing the acid clouds. This is rain collector. A collector placed under the cloud chamber is called rain collector. The conclusion. This demonstrates how accident can harm the environment, all humans, and all living things. Thank you.
My name is Vilas. I'm studying 5th class. Good morning, everyone. I'm studying 5th class. My name is Deepika in Media Cyber School. This is continuous water cycle between earth and atmosphere. These are the water vapors condenses into the sky, into the droplets, and go up into the sky and precipitated into the clouds. And after cooling, these fine droplets comes down in form of rainfall. This water cycle continues in all the seasons. Thank you. My name is Akshat. I'm studying in 7th class in Media Cyber School. My name is Vishwa. I'm studying in 7th class. I'm studying in Media Cyber School. This is the free energy generated with magnet and DC motor. The DC motor is connected to the coil and rotates it with the magnetic field. As a coil rotates, the magnetic field induces an EMF in the coil. The magnetic provides a magnetic field and then outputted as electricity. Thank you.
My name is Ravni from I'm studying in 8th class from Media Cyber School. Nuclear reactor. This is the heat of the power plant where nuclear reaction. Coolant system. This system carries heat away from the reactor to the heat exchanger. Steam generation. This is a heat reactor. It produces steam from the coolant system. Turbine. The turbine drives turbine which is connected to a generator. This is converts the physical energy into electrical energy. Conclusion. This nuclear reactor undergoes a controlled nuclear reaction and releasing heat energy through system generator. Thank you.
Morning. My name is Veera. I'm studying in 7th class in Vidya Sagar School. My project is working of eye model. It is an object. When the eyes are seeing an object, the object can fall on retina in inverted position. And the brain has brain. Through optic nerves, the brain has right image. It is a cornea. This is ball-like structure representing the outer layer of the eye. It is an iris, a color thing that controls the amount of light entered morning. My name is Salata. I am studying in 7th class in Vidya Sagar School. I will tell you about natural acid base. Let's get with the process fast. We take a pinch of turmeric into a glass of water until we turn yellow. Now we take a spoon of detergent solution and add into the bowl turmeric water. Hurry it turn into red color and when you add pinch of lemon water into the change solution into that returns into its original color yellow. Thank you.
This is neural model. In our body, many neurons are present. These neurons transmit information from brain to all body parts. This is cell body. It is the central part of the neuron containing nucleus. This is nucleus. This is dendrites, branch, extension, and this is signal from another neuron. This is axon. This is the large thin extension that carries signals from cell body. Thank you.
I am Samantha studying in 8th class in Vidya Sagar School. This is digestive system. When food enters through our mouth, it directly goes to the pharynx, to esophagus, and enters our stomach. When it enters our stomach, the liver produces enzymes. After it enters to the large intestine and small intestine. When unwanted material is there, it is go to the anus directly. Thank you.
ఫ్లాట్ ఉండడం వల్ల అది ముందుకు వెళ్ళకపోతే వెనక నుంచి ఒక కోర్స్ దాన్ని ఒక చేస్తాం ఫ్లాట్ చేస్తాం అండ్ కాబట్టి అలాంటి షేప్ని డిజైన్ చేయడానికి ఆ డిజైన్ చేసిన దాన్ని టెస్ట్ చేయడానికి ఇది టెస్ట్ చేస్తారు. పెద్ద పెద్ద ఇండస్ట్రీ కారు షోరూమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇస్రో నాసా అని చెప్పి రాకెట్ తయారు చేస్తారు. ఆ రాకెట్లో ఏరోప్లేన్ వాటి ముందు షేప్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, షార్ప్గా కరువు షేప్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అలా ఉంటేనే అది ముందుకు ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్ళగలదు. సో అది టెస్ట్ చేయడానికి ఇది అసలు చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. ఈ బిల్డింగ్ అంత సైజులోని ఇంకా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మధ్యలోని మనకు కావాల్సిన మెషిన్ పెట్టి దాన్ని టెస్ట్ చేస్తారు.
Vending machine. Do you know what is meant by vending machine? Vending machine is used for serving any item. Generally, you might have seen some videos where user gives a coin and he'll get a cold drink or not. So how it works is, let's say this is the item to be delivered to the user. Then it will be kept on a conveyor belt. And to the center of this conveyor belt, one lever is attached. When it is lifted up, this conveyor belt moves forward. So this we are doing manually, but it has to be automated. So we have automated by using these links and two motors. Now I try to show. Similarly, like this part, we can do for the other sections also.
ప్రాఫిట్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా పొలాల్లో ఏంటంటే మన పంట ఉంటుంది కదా కదా లేకపోతే ఏంటి పురుగులను పట్టేస్తూ ఉంటాయి దానివల్ల ఏంటంటే నేను ఏం చేసింటే ఒక 5 డేస్ పాటు రోబోట్ చేశాను రోబోట్స్ అంటే చక్కగా రోబోట్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి పెద్ద రోబోట్ అంటే క్లీన్ అయితే బాగా ఉంటుంది అది ప్రాఫిట్స్ అనుకోండి సక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది కదా అట్లా ఈవెంట్గా ఉంటుంది క్లీన్గా ఉంటుంది సో అలాంటి రోబోట్ అడగడానికి 5 రోబోట్ బెస్ట్ రోబోట్ సో దానికోసం స్పైడర్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ తీసుకుంటాం రీల్ స్పైడర్ అయితే ఎలా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది అలాగే వర్క్ స్పైడర్కి 8 లెగ్స్ ఉంటాయి 2 లెగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఒక టైంలో ఒక లెగ్ గాలి ఉంటుంది రెండు కాళ్ళు మంచి నేల ఉంటాయి అంటే సిమిలర్గా 8 లెగ్స్ ఉంటాయి 4 కాళ్ళు గాలి ఉంటాయి 4 నేల అలా ఒకటి ముందుకు వెళ్తుంది ముందు ఇక్కడ చూస్తాం ఈ హెడ్ దగ్గర ఒక కెమెరా ఉంటుంది ఆ కెమెరా ఏంటంటే అందులో ఏ పిలుచుకోలేదు అది ఏం చేస్తుంది మనకి మామూలు మొత్తంలో ఎక్కడైనా డస్ట్ ఉంటే వెంటనే మనకి మొబైల్కి మెసేజ్ సెండ్ చేస్తాం మనం కావాలంటే ఆ కెమెరా నుంచి కెమెరా ఏం కనుకుంటుంది అది కూడా మన మొబైల్లో కావాలని చూసుకోవచ్చు నెట్ ద్వారా అయితే నేను చూస్తున్నారా అల్ట్రాసౌండ్ చేస్తాను ఈ అల్ట్రాసౌండ్ గురించి పంపిస్తుంది కదా అది రిటర్న్ అయ్యి చూసి పెట్టింది ఏదైనా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉందో లేదా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏదో ఉందో దీనికి కదులుకోదు కదా అలాగే
సౌండ్ వేవా
అల్ట్రాసోనిక్ సౌండ్ కాదు అల్ట్రాసోనిక్ అంటే సౌండ్ మనకి వేరియబుల్ సౌండ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఉంటుంది 40 to 40,000 నుంచి 40 to 40,000 మనకి రేంజ్ ఉంటుంది దానికి తక్కువ ఉంటే సబ్సానిక్ దానిపైన సూపర్సానిక్ సో దానిపైన రేంజ్ ఉంటుంది సో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ స్ట్రైక్ అయ్యి రిటర్న్ వస్తుంది దానికి స్పెసిఫిక్ టైం పట్ చేసి సౌండ్ యొక్క స్పీడ్ అని పెట్టి దాన్ని బట్టి డిస్టెన్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం అదంతా ఇంటర్నల్లీ కోఆర్డినేట్లో ఆల్రెడీ మేము ఇస్తాం అదంతా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి అప్పుడు ఆ డిస్టెన్స్ వస్తుంది ఆ డిస్టెన్స్ ఒక 10 సెంటీమీటర్స్ కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంది అనుకోండి ఆటోమేటిక్గా వాటర్ ఆగిపోతుంది అలా మేము ఫీడ్ చేసాం అది మాకు